Spanish Playhouse! Today, we're going to be learning about the opposites. Come on, let's go. What's the opposite of big? Grande. Small. Pequeño. What about hot? Caliente. Frío. Cold. Let's play a game. Vamos a jugar un juego. I'm going to show you a video, and I want you to tell me what the opposite is. Our first word is fast. In Spanish, you say rápido. This speedboat is going fast. Esta lancha va rápido. What is the opposite of fast? Slow, lento, like this kayak. This kayak is moving slow. Our next video is showing a baby, un bebé, and the baby is happy, feliz. What is the opposite of happy? It's sad, like this baby here. La bebé está triste. The baby is sad. The next word is wet, mojado, like this girl. Ella está mojada. The opposite of wet is dry, seco. Now we're going up, arriba. What's the opposite of up? It's down, abajo. Like this hombre, he's going down, abajo. Wow, qué bonito. How beautiful and so quiet. Silencioso. What's the opposite of quiet? Oh, it's like this place here. It's loud. Está ruidoso. Thank you for reviewing the opposites with me. Now let's go to the table and do a worksheet. Remember, you could download the worksheets by visiting the link below. Come on, let's go. Okay, we have 6 pictures and the opposites are at the bottom. First, let's match all the opposites. Then we will review the words. Let's start cutting. Vamos a cortar. Okay, let's begin. Caliente, hot. The opposite of caliente is frío, cold. Now we have noche, night. What's the opposite of night? Día, day. Now we have abierto. Which one do you think could go with it? Cerrado. That means closed. That's the opposite of abierto, open. Now we have feliz, happy. What do you think goes with happy? Triste, sad. Sad is the opposite of feliz, happy. Now we have arriba. What do you think goes with arriba? Abajo. Down is the opposite of up. And now we have vacío y lleno. Full and empty. Caliente, frío. Noche, día. Abierto, cerrado. Feliz, triste. Arriba, abajo. Lleno, vacío. We finished! Thank you for learning the opposites with me. Do you remember how to say opposites in Spanish? Opuestos. Good job! Well, until next time, bye! Don't forget to subscribe so you can watch more videos. Bye!